Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I am good. My name is Sam. What is your name?
My name is Sahiba.
Sahiba. I love it.
Yes.
That's a great name.
Nice to meet
So
you.
nice to meet you too. So, Sahiba, where are you from?
I am from India.
You are from India. That's
Yes.
great. Very good. I'm from the US.
US. Wow.
Yeah. So, do you like to travel?
Sorry?
Do you like to fly to other countries?
No.
No. Do you like to
No.
stay in India?
No. United States. No.
No. Very
No.
good.
So you have you visit in India?
Not yet. I want to go to India one day.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
what do you like to do?
Uh, mm, Sorry?
So, what do you like to do on your free time? Do you like painting,
Yes.
drawing, reading
I
books?
like I like painting and reading book.
Yeah, very good. So you
Yes.
like painting and reading books?
Yes.
Very
What
good.
what's your profession?
I teach English to speakers of other languages. So all
Okay.
over, I teach English to everyone. So it's
Okay.
very good. I love it.
Okay. So, what's your hobby?
Ooh, my hobby. I really like drawing. I draw
Okay.
pictures and
Okay.
I like painting as well. So I really enjoy that as well.
Okay.
Very good. Well, I have a reservation calling me, so I have to go. I'm really sorry. But it was great to see you, Sahiba. I'd love to see you again sometime. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.